Good afternoon, everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss problem based on orthogonal trajectory. Now problem is problem number first. Find the orthogonal trajectory. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the system of the circle circles touching a given straight line at a given point. Okay. Now repeat the question. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the system of the circles touching a given straight line. The system of circles touch a given straight line at a given point. Now solution is, let us suppose the given point, let us suppose that the given point a comma 0 and the given straight line be the y-axis. Okay. Full stop. Let A be the radius then the equation of family of circles is given by x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to a square, that is x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to a square. Now a square cancel by this is square. That is we get x square plus y square equal to 2ax. This is the equation of family of circles, where a is a parameter, where a is a parameter. Now differentiate with respect to x in equation number first. Differentiate with respect to x in equation number first. That is 2x plus 2y dy dx is equal to 2a. That is a is equal to x plus y dy dx. Okay. This is represented by equation number 2. Now from equation number first and second, remove the parameter a, that is eliminate a from equation first and equation number 2. Okay, that is, we can say the value of a put from equation number 2 put in equation number 1, that is x square plus y square equal to 2x into x plus y dy dx. Okay, now x square plus y square equal to 2x square plus 2xy dy dx, that is 2xy dy dx equal y square minus x square. This is represented by equation number 3. Now for orthogonal trajectory, trajectories dy dx replaced by minus dx upon dy in equation number 3. Okay, now putting dy dx by minus dx upon dy, that is minus 2xy dx dy equal to y square minus x square. Okay, now we can write dy dx is equal to x equal to 2xy upon x square minus y square. Okay student, now we can say this is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. Now solution of this homogeneous differential equation is, this is homogeneous. Now solution of homogeneous equation by putting y is equal to vx. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to differentiation of x, that is v as it plus x as it, differentiation of v, that is dv upon dx. Now putting the value of dy dx in homogeneous differential equation, then we get v plus x dv upon dx is equal to 2x into vx upon x square minus v square x square, that is we can say 2x square v upon 1 minus v square into x square, this cancel by this, that is x dv upon dx is equal to 2v upon 1 minus v square minus v. Okay, now taking LCM, 1 minus v square, that is 2v minus v plus v cube. This is equivalent to v cube plus v upon 1 minus v square. Okay student, now by variable separable on variable separable one minus v square dv upon v into 1 plus v square equal to dx upon x. Okay student, now by partial fraction, we get 1 upon v minus 1 upon 2v upon 1 plus v square. The partial fraction of 1 minus v square upon 2v into 1 plus v square is 1 upon v minus 2v upon v square dv equal to dx upon x. Now integrate both sides. This is equal to log v minus log 1 plus v square plus log c is equal to log x. By putting 1 plus v square is equal to t, that is 2v dv is equal to dt, that is dt upon t, integration of dt upon t is equal to log t. By putting the value of t, that is log 1 plus v square. Okay student, that is log v upon 1 plus v square into c equal to log x. Cancel by log x both side, that is putting the value of v y upon x. Here y is equal to vx, that is v is equal to y upon x. Y upon x upon 1 plus y square upon x square into c is equal to log x. After solving, y into x square upon x square plus y square into x is equal to into c is equal to x. Now 1 cancel by this is cancelled by this, that is cy is equal to x square plus y square. Okay, this is the required orthogonal trajectory. This is required orthogonal trajectories of given family of circuits. Okay student, problem number 2. Find the orthogonal trajectory trajectories of the family of the curve x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus lambda equal to 1, where lambda is parameter. Okay, solution. Since given equation of curves is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus lambda equal to 1. Okay, this is represented by equation number 1, where lambda is constant, parameter. Now differentiate with respect to x in equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x in equation number first. That is 2x upon a square plus y square upon b square plus lambda dy upon dx. That is 2y upon b square plus lambda dy upon dx equal to 0. Okay. Now we can write here 1 upon b square plus lambda equal minus x upon a square y. Okay. A square y is equal to dx upon dy. Dx upon dy. This is represented by equation number 2. Now eliminate lambda from equation number first and second. Now from equation first and equation number second. That is, we can say putting the value of 1 upon b square plus lambda from equation number 2 in equation number first. That is, we can write x square upon a square as it plus y square into minus x upon a square y dx upon dy equal to 1. Okay student. Now 1 y is cancelled by this y, that is x square upon a square minus xy upon a square dx upon dy. This is equal to 1 is represented by equation number 3. For orthogonal trajectories dy upon dx is replaced by minus dx upon dy, or we can say dx upon dy replaced by minus dy upon dx here. That is x square upon a square minus xy upon a square into minus dy upon dx equal to 1. Okay. Now xy upon a square dy dx is equal to 1 minus x square upon a square, that is a square minus x square upon a square. This cancel by this. On variable separable y dy equal a square upon x minus x into dx. When equation is on variable separable, then it can be integrable form. Now integrate. This is y square upon 2 equal a square log x minus x square upon 2 plus constant c. Okay, that is, we can write here x square plus y square minus 2a square log x this is equal to c1. This is the required orthogonal trajectory. Okay, this is required orthogonal trajectory. Now we have see parameter. We will see parameter. Now next problem. Problem number 3. So that the orthogonal trajectory, so that the orthogonal trajectories of the system of the parabolas of the system of the parabolas y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. Belongs to the system itself. Okay, a being parameter, comma, a being parameter. Now repeat the problem. So that the orthogonal trajectories of the system of the parabolas y square is equal to 4a into x plus a belongs to the system itself. That is a being parameter. Sorry. That is, we can say that the orthogonal trajectory of the parabola is always a parabola. Now solution is let given equation of system of parabolas is y square is equal to 4a into x plus a, represented by equation number first. Now differentiate with respect to x here. 2y dy dx equal 4a. That is, a is equal to y by 2 dy dx, represented by equation number 2. Now putting the value of a from equation number 2 in equation number first, that is y square 4 y by 2 dy dx x plus y by 2 dy dx. This cancel by this, that is y square 2xy dy dx plus y square dy dx whole square. Now one y is cancel both side, that is y is equal to 2x dy dx plus y dy upon dx whole square. For orthogonal trajectory, dy dx replaced by minus dx upon dy. That is, we can write here y equal to 2x minus dx upon dy plus y into minus dx upon dy whole square. Okay, student. Now we can write here y equal minus 2x dy dx plus y upon dy dx whole square. Okay. Now we can write y dy dx whole square equal minus 2x dy dx plus y. That is y is equal to 2x dy dx plus y dy dx whole square. Okay, this is the required equation of orthogonal trajectory. This is required orthogonal trajectories of system of parabolas. Okay, student, this is the complete problem.